Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 7th March 2026. A recent Indian Supreme Court ruling on tax residency may impact cross-border investments for Indian high-net-worth individuals and family offices in Dubai. The judgment concerning the Tiger Global-Flipkart case suggests that tax residency certificates alone may not suffice for treaty benefits, requiring demonstrable commercial substance and effective management. Escalating Middle East conflict is expected to increase demand for essential medicines. This surge could lead to higher drug prices, potentially benefiting Indian pharmaceutical manufacturers. Companies are monitoring the situation closely. Increased demand for chronic and acute therapy drugs is anticipated. Indian firms may see export disruptions, but also higher overall demand if the conflict extends. A week into one of the biggest ever disruptions to global energy markets, oil prices still remain far below levels seen in previous crises. But a growing chorus of energy executives and traders is warning that every day that war rages on brings the world closer to a tipping point, with several predicting $100 crude within days. The Reserve Bank of India is gathering information on foreign exchange deals from banks. This move aims to understand if significant bets are being placed against the Indian rupee. The central bank is looking at client transactions and bank positions. This data will help the RBI manage currency fluctuations and make informed decisions to control volatility in the coming days. Dubai's record property boom is facing an early stress test as rising tensions involving Iran push geopolitical risk closer to the United Arab Emirates. The development comes just months after the emirate logged its strongest real estate year on record, prompting questions about whether buyer confidence can hold if regional instability persists. Residential property values in Dubai have increased between 60% and 75% since 2021, placing the city among the fastest growing housing markets globally following the pandemic recovery. The Middle East tension is impacting India beyond crude and energy supply. Indian pharma industry is also feeling the heat. The industry is staring at a loss ranging between Rs 2,500 to 5,000 crore due to the various supply and freight movement disruptions owing to the conflict in the Middle East. Freight charges for both imports and exports have increased because of the Middle East conflict. The doubling of freight charges for both imports and exports, accompanied by surcharges of $4,000 to $8,000 per shipment, has put substantial pressure on Indian pharmaceutical companies. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.